Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Piraeus, okay, Greek, and right on the port in the ocean, and you can see behind me, this is the monument to the Greeks of the genocide of the Greeks of Pontus. And so it's just this memorial. It falls in the top 5. So I'm going to show it to you, and you can take a peek. Let's go do it. And so that's it right there, and it's got this big round thing around it, but this is the monument here. And so I looked it up on the internet because it literally comes up as the top 5, one of the top 5 things to see, and so it certainly is interesting. It looks like some kites have gotten strung through it, but stuck in it, flying through it. Okay, so it looks like all these little metal steel cages almost. Got an ant on me. The genocide of Pontus. And I don't know, that looks like a typewriter with a keyhole and a big key, and that looks like a lock and some weird stuff, but literally it's this huge monument, and huge, let's just say fairly large, and then it's got this thing in the middle, and it says, hi, there's my shadow, everybody. Memorial to the genocide of the Greeks of Pontus, erected in May 21, 2017 under I'm not going there. Mayorality. 101 years since the genocide, 1916 to 2017. Donated by the Evangelos Marinakis. Yeah, okay, I'm just going to stop here. Anyway, this is the monument to the genocide of Pontus, and it's I don't really understand it. Like that looks like the tip off of a fountain pen, but times like 100, and that looks like a clamp of some kind, and I'm sure that people here understand all that. A weaving machine, maybe, I don't know. I don't know, another pen thing, an art thing. I don't know what those are, but it's just filled with all these strange things, and there's lots of steps to it. Like that looks like a bird or a auk or an eagle or with claws grabbing a violin. You know how art is, everybody. It's one of those things. But each one of these tubes got like stuff in it. And so anyway, this is that monument. And so if you've got time and you're thinking about coming here, you can watch my video and determine if that's something you want to do or not do. Anyway, thanks for. And that looks like a violin or okay, I'm not going there. And a prop. Okay, I'm done. You get the point. Pretty interesting. And it's right on the sea, which is amazing. And it's right on one of the best ports. So there's multiple ports here too, by the way, and I'll talk about that in a second. Anyway, I'm just going to go over here and show you this crazy port with these crazy boats and the crazy stuff. And then this way you get to see it from a distance. Thanks for coming, everybody. Hope everybody's doing great and happy and joyful. And it's it's not a full circle. I mean, it's not the right kind of circle. It's like it. Okay, I'm not going there. My architectural stuff's going. That's not the perfect pi r squared kind of circle thing. Okay, bye, everybody.